Okay, so I think it's better that I try to finish this one. Okay. Yeah, okay, so it works after I restart. Okay, so we try yeah, sudo app update. Yeah, I think okay, sudo app full upgrade is the next. So I fetch. Okay, sudo app full upgrade. Yes. Upgrade. Install the basic. That's 11 applications. No, no, we are not going to use this. Okay, so we can skip this. Yeah, okay. So, I think I need to change this one. So, change the statement just now I mentioned. Okay, so actually, it's like this one is configuring the one in CMD or Visual Studio, which I have shown it in here. Is blank. Getting started. Okay, so you need to install this in your Ubuntu or anything. Yeah, basically just after this one finish, then you'll see there's a yeah. Okay, so there's a WSL. Okay, let's wait. It's finished. Okay, so we finish, right? Then we can click this WSL and then we can anchor test. Extension is recommended for opening no, yeah, it's okay. I think we need to install the cracks and Rust analyzer. Okay, we have Rust analyzer. Try again. Start it again. Okay, uh, so we know that it's a Rust test doesn't work, right? So we try to use Ubuntu anchor test. Okay, so we need to install this anchor. How to install anchor? This one. I think this one Linux system. Okay, so we need to open back our Ubuntu. Okay, we need to paste it. Okay, it works. I think I can check this Solana version. Yeah, Solana is not found, so I think we need to install back. Yeah, after all this. Mm, okay, install Nodejs as well. Sudo install Node.js. Okay. Um, yes. So we are installing Node.js. Um, npm. I think yarn also needed. npm. Yeah. Yes. Then we need to install Rust. Okay. Um, this and Linux. We try install it. This one also. Okay, so also using this method. Okay, so going to install back all those Rust, Solana. It's really taking sometimes. Okay, works now. Like paste. Okay, well, doesn't work. Let me try install this one first. Okay, so we proceed with install Rust up. Next will be this Solana CLI. Okay, then we try to. Oops. Well, let's paste again. Okay, 11032. Downloading this one. Have environment. So it's taking some time. Let's pause this. Okay, looks like it's really taking some time. And yeah, the 11032 Solana is. So let's check the version. Solana command not found. Okay, well, let's try again. Ubuntu. Okay, Solana version is here. Solana version is here. And then we can try Rust up. It's available also. Okay. Then I think we have a not jazz version also. Okay, let's try it. I don't think it works. Okay, well, it works, man. Okay, so we have all this. The installing. Okay, then we can go to this one. Um, Opening back another terminal. Choose the Ubuntu, and then use Encore test. Encore version doesn't work. Fail to boot build script. Tuning ankles. No, I mean ankle literally. Let's opening back. Restart. Ankle test. Command not found. Okay. Then we try um, ankle build. Okay. Let's check Ubuntu. Close it again. Don't know. It doesn't work. Should be work, right? Don't know. Let's install this one. Let's see Encore version. I think this one Encore version works. Okay, doesn't work. Let's see what happened now. Okay, let's try this Encore build. Fail to obtain cargo metadata. Okay, closest byte fail to read. What happened? Encore length. Git is not recognizable. See, because I didn't install Git. We can download. Yeah. Don't know why. Fail to read C hello and co programs. Cargo got TOML. This one. Yeah, I'm not going to use this. Let's try Visual Studio Code. Changes. Encore version. Yeah, it works. Let's delete this one. Some issues. Then we try encore test. Encore not detected. Okay. Encore test. The file name. Fail to obtain cargo metadata. Let's try this one. Just a young dependency. Okay. I think it's already updated. TOML. Let's try Rasa update and call test. Let's try USL and call test. Linux system. We try. Okay, so this one I think is install this pkg-config build essential and libudev, but not encode. So that's why there's no encode. So it's an issue. Let's see later. I think after this download, it will works. It's not. Okay, so after finish installing this one, we try. It's the restart again. Close this terminal and then we start a new one. Okay. So when you are using this, the test, it will show you the fail to obtain the package metadata. Let's try. Is it working here? Okay. And code test. Okay. So it works. Okay. It will be taking some time to load. So I'll be showing this again. So basically, this is how we are going to use or prepare the installation for the Solana Anchor Rust app, as well as the Windows subsystems, installing a subsystems in the in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I think that's it. That's our part two.